Can a dehumidifier be placed in a basement or crawl space, or is it better suited for a living area?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common question many people have about dehumidifiers. Can a dehumidifier be placed in a basement or crawl space, or is it better suited for a living area?
What is a dehumidifier and why do we need it?
A dehumidifier is a device that reduces and maintains the level of humidity in the air. They're often used for health and comfort reasons, or to eliminate musty odors. High humidity levels can cause a variety of issues, from mold and mildew growth to respiratory problems.
Can a dehumidifier be placed in a basement or crawl space?
Yes, a dehumidifier can indeed be placed in a basement or crawl space. In fact, these areas are often the most humid parts of a home, making them prime locations for a dehumidifier. Crawl spaces and basements are typically poorly ventilated and may suffer from dampness due to their close proximity to the ground. A dehumidifier can help to reduce moisture levels in these spaces, preventing problems such as mold and mildew.
Is a dehumidifier better suited for a living area?
A dehumidifier can also be incredibly beneficial in a living area, especially in damp climates or during certain times of the year when indoor humidity levels tend to rise. This can help create a more comfortable environment, deter pests like dust mites, and protect belongings from moisture damage. So, yes, a dehumidifier can also be well suited for a living area.
How to choose the right dehumidifier?
When deciding where to place a dehumidifier, consider the size of the space and the severity of the humidity problem. Smaller, portable units may be sufficient for a single room or small basement, while larger, more powerful units or whole house systems may be needed for larger basements, crawl spaces, or entire homes. Remember, the key is to match the dehumidifier's capacity to your specific needs. So, to sum up, a dehumidifier can be placed in either a basement, a crawl space, or a living area, depending on where you need it most. Remember to consider the size and moisture level of the space when choosing a dehumidifier. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about using dehumidifiers. Thanks for watching.